Want to hold your own printed book in your hands 7 days from now? I'll show you exactly how to use AI to get listed on Amazon in 1 week. Crucially, we'll fix the mistake 99% of creators make, ensuring your book isn't just fast, it's actually good. Every successful book is built upon a foundation of solid research. Before you write a single word, you must understand who the book is for, what they want to know, the appropriate length, and the correct tone. Getting this wrong is like building a house without a blueprint. Instead of spending weeks buried in forums or analyzing competitor books, you can have your AI act as a world-class research analyst. The first step is to craft a detailed research prompt. Let's imagine you want to write a book about sustainable gardening for urban dwellers. You would feed your AI a prompt structured like this. Act as an expert market research analyst and book publishing consultant. I am planning to write a non-fiction book on the topic of sustainable gardening for urban dwellers. Please provide a detailed market analysis and book blueprint. I need the following information. 1. Target audience. Describe the primary and secondary target demographics. What are their pain points, desires, and level of existing knowledge? Where do they hang out online? 2. Optimal book length. Based on the topic and target audience, what is the ideal word count and page count for both a Kindle ebook and a standard 6.9-inch paperback? 3. Tone and style. What writing tone would be most effective? Should it be academic, inspirational, conversational, or instructional? Provide examples. 4. Competitive analysis. Identify 3 or 5 top-selling books on Amazon in this niche. What are their titles, subtitles, and what do the positive and negative reviews say about them? Identify any gaps in the market. 5. Table of contents. Based on all this research, generate a detailed, chapter-by-chapter table of contents for my book. Include 3 to 5 key bullet points for what each chapter should cover. In seconds, the AI will deliver a complete roadmap. It will tell you your audience consists of millennials and Gen Z in apartments who feel disconnected from nature and crave simple, actionable steps. It will recommend a word count of 25,000, 35,000 words in a friendly, encouraging, conversational tone. Most importantly, it will analyze reviews of existing books, showing you what readers loved, e.g., great for total beginners, and what they hated, e.g., assumes you have a huge balcony, giving you a golden opportunity to create a superior product. This research phase is non-negotiable. It turns a random idea into a marketable product. Turn your table of contents into a full draft with one single prompt. Tools like the premium version of Manus handle this heavy lifting easily. Just input your plan and let the AI execute it. Here's the prompt. You are an expert author and a specialist in sustainable urban gardening. Using the friendly, conversational, and instructional tone we established, please write the full manuscript for a book titled The Balcony Harvest, a guide to sustainable gardening for city dwellers. You will write the book chapter by chapter, following the detailed table of contents provided below. Ensure each chapter is well-researched, accurate, and provides actionable advice. Where appropriate, use bulleted lists and step-by-step instructions to make the information easy to digest. Maintain a consistent voice throughout the entire book. Here is the table of contents you must follow. Written in the document. Begin writing with Chapter 1 now. The AI will then generate the manuscript, chapter by chapter, adhering to your structure. Within an hour, you will have a complete 30,000-word first draft. It is at this precise moment that 99% of people fail. They see the finished text, declare the job done, and rush to publish it. This is a catastrophic mistake that leads to a soulless, low-quality product. The draft the AI has produced is not your book. It is a lump of clay. It may be perfectly structured and grammatically correct, but it has no soul, no personal stories, no unique voice, and no genuine passion. It does not have you. Your most crucial job as the author is to now read the entire book from start to finish. This is not a simple proofread. You are editing, fact-checking, and most importantly, injecting yourself into the text. Where the AI gives a generic tip about watering plants, you add a specific brand of self-watering container you love, and a short anecdote about how it saved your plants during a vacation. Where the AI describes a sunny balcony, you add a personal story about your own struggles with a shady fire escape and the clever workarounds you discovered. If a paragraph sounds dry and robotic, you rewrite it in your own words, making it sound like you're having a conversation with a friend. This is the process that transforms the document from an AI-generated report into your book. This is what makes the work legally and ethically yours, your intellectual property built upon an AI-generated framework. Remove the typical AI dashes and vary the example names so they aren't always the same, like for example, Sarah. During this phase, the AI transitions from ghostwriter to creative partner. If you're stuck on a sentence, highlight it and ask the AI, "Can you suggest 3 ways to rephrase this to sound more inspiring?" If a chapter feels weak, ask, "What are 3 real-world case studies I could add to this chapter to make it more compelling?" This human-led refining process should take you longer than the initial AI draft, perhaps the better part of a week. That time is what creates quality and value. Once you have a manuscript you're proud of, it's time to become a publisher. This happens on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP) platform, which is free to use. First, your title, subtitle, and description are your primary sales tools. The title should be memorable, The Balcony Harvest, and the subtitle should be descriptive and packed with keywords: A Beginner's Guide to Container Gardening, Growing Vegetables in Small Spaces, and Creating an Urban Oasis. Your book description is your online sales pitch. Structure it with a hook to grab attention, present the problem your reader faces, position your book as the solution, and end with a clear call to action. Scroll up and click Buy Now to start your urban garden today. Next is the book cover, your most critical marketing tool. While AI is good for brainstorming, it struggles with typography and polish. For a professional result, hire a human designer on Fiverr or 99 Designs for under $100. A great cover signals quality to readers and offers the highest return on investment you can make. Confirm that your book contains no explicit images or text. Then select the category Crafts, Hobbies, and Home with the subcategory Gardening and Horticulture. Feel free to add any other relevant categories. You have the choice to disclose AI usage, but be aware of the risks. While an AI label might lower sales, Amazon may ban your account entirely if they detect undisclosed AI content. Finally, you must master Amazon keywords. KDP provides 7 keyword slots. Do not waste them. Think like a reader. What terms would they type into the Amazon search bar? Avoid single broad words like gardening. Instead, use long-tail keywords that capture intent, such as container gardening for apartment beginners, growing vegetables on a balcony, or indoor herb garden kit. Fill all 7 slots with distinct phrases, analyzing the keywords your successful competitors are likely using. You will upload your formatted manuscript. A Word doc is fine for the ebook. KDP provides templates for the paperback and your professional cover. You then set the price. For ebooks priced between $2.99 and $9.99, you earn a 70% royalty. For paperbacks, you earn a 60% royalty minus the printing cost, which is determined by your book's page count and size. The KDP dashboard has a calculator that shows you your exact profit per sale. After reviewing everything in a digital previewer, you hit Publish. Your book will be live on Amazon stores worldwide within 72 hours. With your assets ready, the technical part is straightforward. In your KDP account, you'll create a new title. You will do this twice, once for the Kindle ebook and once for the paperback. For the paperback, KDP offers the revolutionary service of print on demand. This means you do not need to buy any inventory. When a customer orders a physical copy of your book, Amazon prints a single copy, ships it directly to them, and deposits a royalty into your account. You never have to see or touch a physical book. It's a zero-risk way to sell physical products. Hitting Publish is not the end. It's the beginning. To be successful, you must market your book. The most direct way to do this is with Amazon ads. Inside your KDP dashboard, you can create an ad campaign for your book, which will display it as a sponsored product in search results and on the pages of similar books. For beginners, start with an automatic targeting campaign. With this, you set a daily budget, starting as low as $5 to $10 per day, and Amazon's algorithm will automatically show your ad to shoppers based on the keywords and categories of your book. Run this for a week or two, and then analyze the search term report it generates. This report is a goldmine, showing you the exact search terms customers use before clicking on your ad. You can then take the most successful of these search terms and create a manual targeting campaign. In this campaign, you have full control and can bid specifically on the keywords that you know convert into sales. The goal of advertising is not just to generate immediate sales, but to drive traffic, increase your sales velocity, and signal to Amazon's main algorithm that your book is popular. This increased visibility leads to a higher organic ranking, creating a flywheel effect where sales beget more sales. The key is to monitor your advertising cost of sale, ACOS, the percentage of your sales revenue spent on advertising, to ensure your campaigns remain profitable. This entire process, from idea to a marketed book, is a partnership. The AI provides the speed, structure, and raw material. You, the author, provide the heart, the personal stories, the final quality control, and the strategic marketing. This is the future of accessible authorship. Your most powerful creative partner is waiting.